All right, well, let me preface this with getting stuff from the dollar store general isn't really my jam, you know what I mean? But people seem to get some interesting, cool stuff from there. So I went to a dollar store. I went to actually to Dollar General, two of them, looking for sporks. And nobody, well, first of all, half of them didn't even know what a spork was. If you don't know what a spork is, please Google it. That's a pork with the letter S at the in the front of it. It's a combination spoon fork spork. Yeah. So anyway, apparently they're really difficult to find. Didn't know that. I went to two Dollar Store General or Dollar General stores. Um, by the way, I'm not really impressed with the Dollar General. I did go to a what was it called? Another dollar store called Dollar. What is it called? I'll probably post the name of it somewhere. But yeah, so I went there and the third store, and they also had some cool stuff. So I bought a little bit of stuff from both of them. So first thing I found was this guy. No, I never heard of Maisto. Never heard of that brand. I got plans for this. Found some of this stuff. This is lichen, or I think it's called lichen, but they refer to it as reindeer moss. Maybe that's a more accurate name. I have no idea, but this was dirt cheap. I'm never gonna get this stuff for terrain at a hobby shop ever again, or anywhere else. Although we used to just go to the backyard and dig up dirt and other crunch. But yeah, this was cool. I mean, this is a pretty good sized package. It looks like a buck. Dollar store, but yeah, of course. These things are kind of cool. I think this came from Dollar General. Yeah, they're like little teeny weeny itty bitty. They're glass. They're not plastic. They're glass, and this is real cork. Probably going to be like some kind of fuel container or something cool. Hobby knife blades. I cannot attest to the quality of them. Went to, man, what, Family Dollar? No. What is the name of that place? What's the bag say? Dollar Tree. The other place is Dollar Tree. So Dollar Tree had these things. I've seen other people use these parts. Final Faction. So here's another thing I really don't do, or haven't done in forever, is use parts from other actual model kits. But, I mean, if that doesn't scream Gundam or giant robot, I don't know what does. But, yeah, those are cool. Screw it, I'll use them. Use them as feet or hands or wings or jetpacks, whatever. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. Why not? Was looking for some sporks, but I found these super tiny spoons. Sure. Already silver. Don't need to paint them. Probably will paint them. May not even use them. These might end up going overseas. Hint, hint. More of that Final Faction stuff. The only thing I actually liked in here was this little Gatling gun looking thing. I thought that was cool. And I'll probably just cut the barrel. And let's be honest, I could probably make this super easy. It's just a bunch of rods. But, yeah, hell, I couldn't help myself. It's got a little harpoony looking missile bomby thing on the front of it. Why not? The rest of it, I don't know. I'll probably give it away. If anybody likes plastic guns, you can let me know. But I might, I don't know. I haven't decided. I may not even keep any of these. I just have this thing against using, I don't know, pre-made toy guns. We'll see. We'll see. At least since I was 6, I have. This is interesting. Now, I'm not into the Legos. Look at that price, $5. Apparently you can make all these little things, 126 pieces. What interested me about this was these little horn type dooley things. These, yeah. Cool little curvy parts. Whatever this is. It's just got some really unique bits and pieces. I probably should have picked up like 10 of these, but anyway, yeah, that's cool. Can you make all 3? Rebuilds into 3 models. I'm guessing, yeah, so 3 in 1. So you can only make one or the other, but still, I mean, that's 126 pieces of some, what I think are fairly unique parts. Blocko. They're from Blocko. Yeah, sure. I got these because they're hard plastic, and I'm guessing they probably glue pretty well. They're probably pretty brittle, but I'm guessing they glue well and drill well. Maybe even sand well, but not so much for cutting. They'll probably just crack and shatter. But for other stuff, yeah, I don't know. Might be good for something. Wooden beads. Yeah, I finally bought beads. I don't know where the hole is that these are coming out of. I noticed this on several of these bags, and Dollar General, or who did I buy this from? I think it was Dollar General. Check your bags, man. You've got all these holes. Look at this. I don't know if you can see this. That's a hole. But it's like in the bag. Like the bag was manufactured that way with a hole in it for the beads to come out. Why would you do that? Why? I got a bead in my hand. So dumb. Like, oh yeah, let's put a defective hole in a plastic bag that's going to be the exact size of the things that it's supposed to hold in and keep from being lost. So, yeah, so all you bead bot builders out there, see what I mean? Did you see that? Another one fell out. Yeah, I joined your bead bot cult. I'm not fully indoctrinated, but I do have the beads. And then lastly, just because I feel like, whoa, there goes another bead. I got this just because I felt like I needed it. Dollar Tree. I should have picked up like 10 of these. $3, $3. Cheaper than Container Store. I can't say it's the same quality as a Container Store. It doesn't seem to want to close. There it goes. Well, I don't know. Maybe it is. Maybe I just don't know how to snap these open. They're not removable. At least I don't think they are. They look like they should be. Are they? Oh, yeah, they are. Okay. That's different. I don't know why there's a... Yeah. Okay. Well, anyway, yeah. So some of these are removable. But yeah, cool. Cool. I got stuff I can put in that. Let's see if I can snap it. There we go. So yeah, there's my haul. I also picked up some weird beef jerky and spicy pork cracklings. Hey, I live in the South. Yeah. Good stuff. Good stuff. We'll see what I can do with all that. Well, that I'm gonna eat, but yeah, putting that in my body. Probably gonna pay for it. Yeah. But yeah, this stuff, gonna make into other things. All right. Talk to you later.